Hi guys, welcome back. I am playing along with the scrap room today, and I'm going to do a layout for the series called Mixing the Kits, where we take the pattern paper kit, the embellishment kit, and the shots of life kit and make a layout. So I have got the pattern paper kit here, and it is full of the cutest, brightest, fun summer travel goodness. And let's see, I've got a couple of embellishments here as well, which I am digging so much. Look at how cute, guys. They're on my tray. I am concentrating on the Simple Stories line. I'll show you that. I also have, from the Shots of Life kit, the Perfect washi. I have got some stickers. I've got die cuts, all kinds of goodies. Some pattern papers. So I have all kinds of things. That's my point. Things and things. Ooh, that matches really nicely, that little blush color. Okay, so I have things. Things are established. Now, what I'm looking at is when I saw this paper right here, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a photo that works with that. Look at this pic right here. This is a few years ago. It's my oldest daughter, but look at how it just works. So I want this paper to really show, and I want the photo to really show. So what I think I'm going to do is grab a piece of stash white cardstock and go ahead and create a frame using the white cardstock for the background. And then I'm going to have a little bit of this paper to be double matting that. So I just have to, let me go through my goodies really quick. I'm going to find the white cardstock. I need to trim out this photo and mat that 3 million times. And then these Simple Stories 13 cardstock die cut ephemera pieces. It's from the Simple Pages stuff. And then I'm going to just create a little scene with it and see how quickly it comes together. Now I have a little bit of a hinker to fight, look at that title. To fight with my glossy accents to have some shiny bits, so I'll do that. Look at how cute, guys. All of these great summery bits. I've got hearts, so I want these to be shiny. So I'm going to do something with all of that because I love the idea that you can have all the goodies you need for a page kit. Now, I'll be bringing some washi in, clearly a perfect match. And probably mat with some of this. And what else? Any other fun stuff that works. So for now, let me do the busy work and I'll be right back. So I have my mats all taken care of. I've popped up what I want to pop up. I have Summer Vibes popped up. This little bicycle. These words that read, these are the days, and Summer Vibes. But I don't have any of them tacked down. I also went ahead and matted my photo 3 times. 2 of the mats are the same mats that you see here. And then this peachy tone is from the Echo Park Away We Go pattern paper that I showed you. It's a lovely little pattern match. So I have that. And then I have the white from my stash. And I was thinking that I want these things to be just a little bit more inclusive. So I grabbed some of my Distress Oxides and I'm just going to do a little bit of inky work with my handy dandy makeup brush. So I think I want to get some under here to make it glow a little bit as well as in this section. And we're going to see how it goes. Like, I don't have a plan. I have a beginning plan. So I find that the key to doing this kind of work is just really a light touch. So this is going to take me a minute, nice and light, just kind of going around wherever I would have this to mimic a sun glow. And the reason I grab different colors is so it's just a little bit more interesting. Like, look at that already. It just is giving it a little zhuzh. So I'm going to do that with these colors in and around these spots. I also think I should do a little splatty bits with them. I'm not sure. I'm going to see how the glow looks. I'll be back in a moment once I get that on. And we'll see how it looks. I'm not quite sure yet. Give me a moment. Second time for my little inky bits. I have this glowing under the photo. I've got my cute little tree here, and I'll have my bicycle. So you can see that glow around it adds a whole lot of something something to the plain white, which I am digging. And then that will go there. So this is a point where I have to figure out if I want some splatty bits. And I'm thinking yes, and just maybe spiced marmalade and mustard seed. Do I want that, or do I want it a little bit lighter? I think a little lighter. So I'm going to do a little bit of splatty bits, no big deal, and then stick all of these pieces on. I also have these cute little hearts to look at. I don't think I need this label to be used yet. I'm not really needing the washi, which I thought I would. And what else? What else? And then I'll just see if I can get a couple of the little puffies on, and we're going to call this one done. So let me get the stuff stuck down. I want to get the goodies stuck down. I need my splatty bits. And then the last thing I'll do is go in with this Glossy Accents, which is probably super stuck, and make some shiny stuff here and there. So let me do the things I talked about. I'll be right back. Show you all the pieces stuck on before I go and do some of the Glossy Accents stuff. But guys, these handy dandy little page pieces, I mean, how awesome. You just use all the stuff, pop it on, and you are good to go. I did add a little bit of the splatty bits like you see here because I think I just have a fear of white cardstock. That may be the issue. Okay, so I'm going to unstick some Glossy Accents, and I have to, oh, should I see if any of these work first? Maybe I should. Okay, so these are the days. I like that. Just don't know if it needs anything else. This is my daughter with a backpack on one of her trips that she goes on. How cute. Look at that hot air balloon. The scale is way off, but it's so cute. I think maybe just a couple of these sweet little florals will do it. I think they're adorable. Floral, floral. Oh, here's one more. We're going to have just a few of these little florals over here. Exciting day. I think I will pop that right here on the bicycle to give myself a little bit of pink, and that is going to do it for my puffies. So I'm going to do the Glossy Accents thing, and you will see all of that in the still shots. No, I'll come back in a second and show it to you because sometimes it's harder to photograph. I'll be right back. I have my Glossy Accents on. It just all has to dry. So this looks a little cloudy right now, but it'll be crystal clear. You know how it works. We've got a little bit of shine there, a little bit of extra dimension. So it's in the title. It's on the sun. It's in these cute little hearts in the tree. It is on the bicycle seat as well as the little horn. And then over here, I have it on the little hearts, as well as in the water in the pool. So super fun, lots of hubbub going on. Cute photo of my daughter on a trip, and that will be that for mixing the kits. So I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom website, the blog, and the Facebook group. That's all for now, friends. Bye-bye.